tears in my eyes of another lost love that came as no surprise. It was tainted from the start, but I'd be dead if I had a broken heart, so I gotta be smart. Cause what was left from those ashes was a little baby girl, so now it's up to me to give her the world. It won't be easy, but I'm not alone. I got my God, my family, my friends. This microphone I got, blessings and talents granted from high above. Now it's up to me to do what I love and stop stressing and messing and living in fear. I gotta start somewhere, and the path is clear right in front of me if I choose to walk. Do what I do instead of constantly talk. It's both a pleasure and a pain. You see, just one last request: will you reign over me? Reign over me. Reign over me. I look into my daughter's eyes as a proud dad and pat myself on the back for not being sad, not being mad at what went down. The situation, it is what it is. Now life, we are facing, embracing it together forever. We must do. When I'm old and great, I'll say Anna, I'm proud of you, I'm sure right now you're proud of me. And one day we'll make it, and those will see that I was determined, that I did what I said. It's easier with positive thoughts in my head, thinking about my baby's smile and what it all means. A lonely court jester trying to raise a queen. Life is a struggle when you juggle your time with what's important, family versus rhyme. But I need to put the umbrella down and just stand free as I look up to the heavens as they reign over me. Reign over me. Wash away my pain. Wash away the madness. Help me find my way. Just let it rain over me. Just let it rain over me. Just let it rain.